Good day, my name is Mia Rose Iturfil, 21 years old, taking up a Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Since I was young, I've always been drawn to being around with children. Their smiles, their questions, and the way they learn inspired me to become a teacher. And that's why this vision board is to remind myself of what I'm working hard for. In 5 to 10 years, I see myself as a licensed professional teacher in the field of early childhood education, confidently teaching young learners either here or abroad. From a young age, I have been always drawn to the joy and curiosity of children, and this passion has grown into a lifelong career goal. I envision myself working in a nurturing classroom, inspiring children to learn and grow while building meaningful connections with them. Aside from my career, I also dream of becoming financially stable, owning my own home, and being able to provide for myself and loved ones. I hope to be happily married, building a joyful and balanced life with someone who shares my values and supports my dreams. I want to explore the world, travel, and gain new experiences that will help me grow both personally and professionally. For me, the future is bright and full of possibilities, and I am determined to make it happen through hard work, love, and faith. The quote, "The future is yours," reminds me that everything I dream of is possible if I stay focused and keep on working hard. My future is in my hands, and with God's guidance, I believe I will achieve these dreams step by step. This vision board is more than just a colorful picture. It is a reflection of who I am, what I value, and the life I want to create. I'm doing this not only for myself, but also for the children I'll teach, the family I'll build, and the future I believe in. Thank you for listening.